Imagine rewinding the cosmic clock, journeying back 4.5 billion years to a time when our planet was unrecognizable. A turbulent, seething sphere of molten rock, adrift in a chaotic young solar system. Picture the skies ablaze with debris, embryonic worlds colliding, and the air thick with dust and fire. In this primeval landscape, destiny was about to be rewritten in the most cataclysmic way imaginable. To decode this problem, watch until the end. A surprise awaits you. Subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss out on valuable knowledge, and join me on the journey of independent scientists. From the distant reaches of space, a rogue planet emerged. Roughly the size of Mars, this wandering world, now known to us as Theia, hurtled toward the newborn Earth. What followed was not a gentle meeting, but a cosmic collision of unimaginable force. Theia did not strike head-on, but at a glancing angle, unleashing energies rivaling the combined fury of every volcano and earthquake that would ever shake our planet. The impact vaporized vast swathes of crust and mantle from both bodies, hurling molten debris high above the Earth. For a moment, the skies glowed with a fiery halo, a glowing, swirling cloud of rock fragments and vapor, a spectacle of destruction and creation, playing out on a planetary scale. In the aftermath, the heart of Theia, its iron core, sank into Earth's own center, merging deep below the surface. But the lighter remnants, shards of crust and mantle, remained in orbit, encircling the shattered planet like a luminous ring. Gravity began its silent, patient work. Over months, perhaps years, these fragments coalesced, drawn together by invisible forces gradually shaping themselves into a single glowing sphere. This was the birth of the moon, a celestial child forged from chaos, destined to become Earth's steadfast companion. But how do we know that this ancient drama unfolded? What evidence remains, etched into stone and shadow, to testify to this cosmic origin story? The answer, remarkably, lies in the very rocks beneath our feet and in the lunar samples brought back by the Apollo missions. Scientists peered into these stones, searching for clues about their ancestry. They found something astonishing. The isotopic fingerprints of oxygen within moon rocks were nearly identical to those found on Earth. If the moon had formed elsewhere and been captured by Earth's gravity, its chemical signature would be markedly different. Instead, the moon bears an unmistakable resemblance to its parent planet, as if both had been crafted from the same original materials. This, more than any other clue, is the moon's birth certificate, a silent witness to a shared history. The evidence does not stop there. Consider the moon's core, a tiny fraction of its total mass, just 1 or 2%, compared to Earth's immense iron heart. If the moon was simply a captured wanderer, its core should be much larger. The giant impact hypothesis explains this perfectly. In that primordial collision, Theia's iron core merged with Earth's, while the moon formed primarily from the lighter outer layers. The moon is, in a sense, the Earth's missing mantle, orbiting in silent testimony to their violent union. Even the moon's path through the sky holds secrets. Its current orbit, its distance, and even the speed at which Earth spins all fit the predictions of this colossal impact, matching the models and simulations built by scientists. The moon's very presence, hanging serenely in our sky, is a balancing act forged in fire and cemented by gravity. Yet, as is often the case with science, each answer begets new questions. The more closely scientists examined the evidence, the more they wondered, how could the mixing of materials be so thorough, so perfect, that the Moon and Earth are almost indistinguishable in their isotopic makeup? If Theia was a separate planet, should there not be some lingering trace, some cosmic accent in the Moon's chemistry? This mystery has inspired new theories, each more imaginative and complex than the last. One such idea is the Synestia model. In this scenario, the aftermath of the impact was even stranger than previously thought. Instead of merely scattering debris, the collision melted and vaporized both worlds, merging them into a superheated, rapidly spinning structure shaped like a giant, glowing donut. A Synestia. Within this boiling cauldron, material from both planets mixed completely, erasing any chemical distinctions before slowly cooling and condensing to form the Moon. This model may better explain the nearly identical isotopic fingerprints found in the rocks, painting an even more dramatic picture of the Moon's birth. But the Moon may not be the only remnant of Theia. Deep within Earth's mantle, scientists have detected two immense mysterious regions known as LLSVPs, large low-shear velocity provinces. These vast, dense blobs, hidden far below the surface, slow down seismic waves and defy easy explanation. Some researchers now propose a bold theory that these hidden provinces are the last surviving vestiges of Theia, preserved deep within our planet. If true, then every step we take on Earth is, in a sense, a step upon the bones of an ancient world, forever entwined with our own. The search for answers continues, driven by new technologies and ever more sophisticated models. Each lunar sample, each seismic reading, each simulation brings us closer to understanding the truth of our cosmic origins. Yet the story of the Moon remains, in many ways, a living mystery, a tale written in stone, shadow, and the restless dreams of scientists. The Moon, then, is far more than a pale companion in the night sky. It is a cosmic archive, preserving the memory of our planet's most violent and transformative moment. Its presence has shaped the tides, influenced the rhythm of life, and inspired countless myths and stories. As we look up at its silent, watchful face, we are reminded of the extraordinary journey that brought us here. A journey born of chaos, marked by discovery, and propelled ever onward by curiosity. If you've watched this far, congratulations. You are truly a passionate scientific explorer, always persisting and conquering every challenge. Let's subscribe to the channel so we can keep on discovering together. The origin of the Moon is both a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and a reminder of the universe's boundless capacity for wonder. With every new discovery, we peel back another layer of mystery, drawing closer to the truth. Yet the questions never truly end. For as long as humans gaze skyward, the Moon will beckon, inviting us to seek, to dream, and to wonder at the story of our own beginnings.